Gotta start YouTube. Oh no. All that exposition and it's not even on YouTube. I guess the YouTubers will have to come to Twitch for a pre-stream Amble expedition. But yeah, maybe this is what Stream Elements does, and so maybe it's true. Maybe I should have no problem playing from a local host. Yeah, well, like the idea is to put on my server eventually, so that I can, well, like namely like the TTS, and well, just like offloading more stuff off my computer onto something else, so that I'm not like, I don't know, gigabricked, gigabricked. Yeah, I don't know. It's intriguing at least. Do I have VTS, VTuber Studio? I do. That's VPS. Oh, VPS, virtual people signs, very public servers. Oh, I have a very public server. Yeah, this is true. I have a very public server. Yep, it's very public indeed. Yep, correct. Okay, let me think. So, how do we start this? Do I just like I'm scared to start. Like, what if we just start with like a Java? What the JavaScript? I don't know how we start like serving web page. Start by having some web hosting framework. What? Yeah, Rocket has problems sometimes though. Like, how do you send JavaScript to the client? I mean, I guess we'll just yoink some examples and see if it works. And then go from there. If I go to so we'll have no visuals for a hot minute while I get everything set up. Okay, they do have examples. Okay, let's see if I can get this up and running. Okay, git clone, oops. Oh, I already have the rocket. What the R minus R. The JavaScript is just a file that your framework hosts available under some link. Oh. HTML, CSS, JS, all files under a different. Oh, it's just like a different endpoint. So you have like / web page / look cool, I guess. Examples, hello, go run. Okay, I'm compiling Rust. Is a computer not lagging? Nice. Oh, can opening. Okay, now it's lagging a little bit. Holy, look at that. Oh no, encoder overloaded. Maybe Rust is a bad idea. Can we host something with Lua? Oh, imagine hosting it with Lua. Lua host web pages. Last day of sickness for you? Oh, let's go. Let's go. You're on the mend. On the mend. It's good to hear. Of course, frameworks get pretty crazy. For example, if you do something like WordPress, It's up to you how much functionality you want. Oh yeah, but WordPress, you're gonna get hacked. There's no ifs or buts. You get hacked. That's all there is. Huh. So there is a Lua thing. Maybe we do this in Lua. Like, who's counting? Lua based web server. Like, is this bad? Okay. So if I add a WebSock source, let's do it on here while I don't have any code. So we go browser source. Or we go browser source development. Make source visible. Sure. We can see. Well, you can't see. And you can see it's like, oh, you've added a browser source. Blah blah blah. Okay, so if I add HTTP 127.0.0.1 8000, and then we go okay. Did it work? Why do I want a web server for my game? No, I already have a oh look, it is here. Nice. I already have a server for my game and it already works, which is good. That is in fact in Lua. No, so basically my overlay integrations, like all of it runs locally. That's like the fimshes and stuff you see in the background. And I would like to be able to have a bunch of it not run locally, like on a server itself. And then also I don't have to worry about like migrating bevy versions for a bunch of the more simple situations. And I don't know. I also just wanna I haven't I wanna learn, I guess. Yeah, maybe I should put that in the title. Learning. Oh, I'll put this in the start. We go learning. Yeah, there we go. Yep, there we go. We're in a learning stream now. Did it update? Oh, it did update. Nice. Nice. Hello, meow. Rust is winning. Welcome in, Rust is winning. It is true. Oh no, YouTube is saying there's gonna be there's buffering. Rust is winning. Oh yeah, it worked. We have a browser with their little example thing. Not a browser, a hi. A hello. Oh, the problem with the hosting. No, we just need to serve stuff. How do we okay. What happens now though? Oh man, we're in foreign territory. I think I need to find something disgusting like a tutorial. What the? Yo, thanks for the pets. Congrats, I did it. Now you just need to implement a crazy network of HTML and JS files, probably some JS framework sprinkled within. Maybe not. I forget rockets. Examples. Hello? Oh wait. They have other examples that we could run. Sorry, I'm just looking to see if they have. Wait, can I just open examples? We are open. We can go to the other scene now. Although Zed decided to die on me. I need to get a new editor. Zed is dead. It's gotten worse since release. Hello, Shika. Welcome in. Wait, let me reopen Zed again. Oh, darkness. Let's see if can we. Yeah. We're on the other scene now. So Zed is blah blah blah. I can't find it. Twitch, Firefox, TTS, OBS. Oh, examples. It's just called examples. Okay. And boop. Oh, it's an Astatin-chan. Hello, Astatin-chan. Welcome in. How you doing? Hats. Rust is a language which you will avoid the job applications because you already know companies that write Rust in job offer either a lie or not business outcome focused but managed by engineers and won't be profitable. Yeah, that's a broad like I mean like fair. If you don't want to do Rust, then sure, why not? It's okay. But also they're kind of rare, if I'm not mistaken. I mean, I've been creating Rust jobs everywhere because you know you join a company and they're obviously money focused, and then they need a thing, and you're like, well, I can spend 3 weeks or more trying to work out how to do it this way, or I could do it in Rust tomorrow, and then all of a sudden they have Rust, and then when you leave the company, they you open up a free Rust job that's focused on money, like. Yeah. Well, there's also some like open source jobs that pay money that work in Rust. Like there's all sorts of things. Okay, so this is all the examples. So the one that got me interested was this chat one, because surely chat requires um oh wait, this might be perfect. Returns infinite stream server sent events. Each event is a message pulled from broadcast and sent by the post handler. Okay, so message, room username message, q.subscribe. Why is it lagging? Oh no. The lagging. I didn't realize. How do I do this? I need to launch said the weird. Next slide, please. Oh no, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yo, why am I still lagging? I closed it. Please stop being overloaded. Nothing's happening. Oh my god, it's even getting destroyed. Oh my god. There's so many Rust analyzers running. Why is there so many? There's like 16. I'm just gonna do this. Like, does that kill the fishes by accident? No. Why is my encoder still overloaded? It's gone. I learned today that apparently multiple engineers at your company are asking to please start switching Rust projects to Rust, and management is a brick wall. Fair enough. Yeah, well, switching projects is a whole different issue entirely. There's only a few actual cases used for Rust in high security, high performance. I mean, uh, there's a lot of different reasons for or for not. But the other one is like the Rust you don't have the JavaScript issues because you can mirror the packages that you need to forever be available for like libraries and stuff. Like Rust is hard to hire senior people. It's slower to develop, and most apps don't benefit from borrow checker. I mean, like, sure. I don't like. I guess it just depends. It depends on what the company wants and what the developer wants, and also the slowness is just depending on the developer. And I guess if you can't find a competent Rust developer, then yeah, of course it's going to be slow. Because you know, if you have someone doing JavaScript for the first time, it's also going to be slow. Like I'm going to be slow at JavaScript. I mean, I've done it a bunch, and I do it for work. But like a lot of the things, I'm like, yo, I can like Like often I whip up examples in Rust in like 2 hours, and I'm like, yo, I can make this, but if you want it in JavaScript, I'm gonna need like 3 or 4 more days. And then I do, because they want it with the rest of their stuff, and I'm like, fair. Fair. Oh well, you say easy to find, but it's hard to weed out the JavaScript people that are good versus just intelligent. Yo, Dara, thank you for resubscribing. Bread. You can make bread on Java. Nice. Yo, where's my TTS? Did TTS break? What's going on? Is my integrations broken? Hang on, if I do... if I do fimsh accessories, does it work? Oh... Oh no, it did work. What the? You can bake bread in Java, holy. Thank you. Baking bread.
Bread 11.
Bread 11. Oh, that's what I was gonna say earlier. So apparently, yo, thank you for following, Flatman. Apparently, if I'm understanding this correctly, Twitch is informing me that if you subscribe, you get 3 months of Discord Nitro. I don't know. I guess Dara can confirm? Question mark. It was pretty wild though. If so, holy. Like, I'm like, yo, I need to subscribe to myself. You didn't get it? What the? What? What do you? Oh, is it like? What does this mean? That is a nasty one. It's lying to me. But yeah, I think if it's a subscription. Yeah, like okay, that's all it's telling me is you just need to subscribe and then check your drops inventory. And if they didn't do that, well, I'm sorry. That's a rip because a free 3 months of Discord Nitros. It's not much, but you know, if you're one for not you buying Discord Nitro yourself, it's a pretty good deal actually. You think it's for new users? Well, it says for new or recurring. Oh, new or recurring. Purchase one subscription, new or recurring gift subscriptions to a participating channel. It doesn't say new recurring. Oh yeah, yep, don't know. It's too complicated. Yo, Lane! Oh, Lane, hello. Yo, Lane, I did something to the bits. They no longer merge. But I think the integration's broken at the moment. Oh no. Wait, do we have gigamplified fimsh on this account? Question mark. Sorry, I'm looking at my things. Sorry, I need to do this. Okay, it seems to be working. Yo, thank you. Thank you for 100 bits. And feeding the fimsh. Oh man, look at them enjoy. I'm sorry there's no gigamplified fimshes, because I don't think this version of the overlay has it. Soon though, I'm working on overlay stuff today. We will get it all back in business. Hopefully. Hopefully. All bugs are just ones and zeros misplaced, just put them in the right places. Well, next thing, we're gonna get some ECC RAM, just so the ones and zeros are definitely in the right place. Oh my god. What the... Lane? No. Well, thank you very much for that. Now if I bring up my text editor, uh let me see if I can, yes, this one. That's crazy. Look at all those food. It's lagging so hard. Yeah, you can't see my code. You can't see it. It's a brick wall. Only. I guess we're gonna enjoy some food and just yap for the meantime. We're gonna, yeah. It's food time, I guess. My god. Yeah. Uh man, maybe it, I can't like there's too many. There's too many. Oh man. Hang on, it's not slowing down because of the fimsh. Well, like the stream is lagging not because of the fimshes. Okay, there you go. The stream. I closed the editor. I don't think we can do Rust on stream anymore. Because CPU is too weak. You can kill if you need. What the? I have a button to clear all the food. But that's okay. Like I need to work out. I need to go find some. I think we're gonna use Lua because like trying to open Rust project has made the stream become an actual slideshow, unlike now where it's just the fimshes that are slideshowing. So I need to find some Lua libraries and stuff to make this web page project thing that I want to do. Don't write bugs to begin with. Oh, so true. Holy. Yo, imagine not writing bugs. That'd be some next level stuff. But yeah, this is what food food without matching becomes. Holy. I don't know why it's struggling this much. Well, none of it's optimized. I really want to go through and optimize it properly. Maybe we'll do that in one of the next streams. Because like I think we're just gonna fully update Bevy and start from ground zero. But I think part of that is we should finish this web thing. But yeah, at least you can see most of behind me now. This is cool. I wonder. Yeah, okay. Let's look for a Lua thing. I mean, does anyone know how to serve web pages with Lua? Is this a thing that can be done? I mean, I presume so. Web programming. Advanced Lua web programming. This looks promising. Orbit. Orbit is an MVC web framework. What is MVC? MVC. Micro. I don't know. What would the V word? Oh, model view controller. It's a software architectural pattern commonly used for developing user interfaces that divides the related program logic into 3 interconnected elements. I've never heard of this before. Sputnik is a wiki CMS developed over WS API. Oh, WebSocket API. Oh, WS API is WebSocket API. This makes sense. This makes sense. Wait, where's my controls? I do have a clear. Oh yeah, I do have a clear food button. I don't know if I want to do it though. I mean, we can just bring back the food. Hang on, let me do this. Okay, and then we'll bring back the food. This should be a good chunk of it, and we'll just keep. No, this is all of the food. Is it? I can't. I've forgotten how many my button adds. This might be half. This is half of the food that should have been there. Enjoy more than one frame. We'll do the other half later. Kalindra, welcome in. Look at all those fimshes. Yeah, so the food doesn't make it lag, actually, it's the fimshes. Too many, like, yeah. So for some reason, this Lua tutorial has you set up like Apache, and I'm like, I don't really want to set up Apache. That seems like overkill. Like I like my Nginx, but that's about it. Mm, 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 mm. Coroutine yields. Oh, the reason. Well, I guess one of the reasons we would use Rust is that we need to use my library for the backend for the WebSocket side, but we'll get to that later because we just need to like serve some stuff. I don't know how I feel about this. It seems complicated. Yeah, why did the fimsh slow down? Oh, Asterton giving out the compliments. Only Lapis Singular Orbit. Orbit does say it's for simple RESTful APIs. RESTful. Mm, mm. The problem is I have to open Z again. I found a tutorial that's going through like some Lua stuff, but it's like not formatted at all. Lua WebGen generates static websites using. I'm afraid to suggest. Do we just like start making a JavaScript project? Like, that seems scary. Gets. If I open Z now, does it delete the? It does not delete the RAM. Nice. Okay, I think we want to use Orbit. Orbit looks like the best option. So Lua Orbit. Ollie, thank you for feeding the fimsh. Hopefully, it's not too boring. Oh yeah, I found a simple hello world tutorial. So if I create a new project, so we go. Actually, this is the wrong one. It doesn't matter. Empty da. Do our orbit, and then we open local folder. I forgot where I was going. I was trying to like get to my big hard drives, but that's not where we need to go for opening projects. Okay, I have the project open, but OBS is no longer capturing my Z editor anymore for some reason. Uh, this one. No, that's my web page. That's wrong. I saw Orbit and I clicked. I saw Orbit and clicked. Oh yeah, here we are. Here we are. There is no code to see. Million.lua. We're just gonna paste in a whole tutorial right here. And we're just gonna like click run, I guess. Uh oh, wait, how do we run a Lua project? Oh no, I've only run love projects. I was about to type in like love and then just finish there. Easiest way to install is Lure Rocks. Do I have Lure Rocks? Oh, I do. Okay, Lure Rocks install Orbit. User does not have write permissions, blah blah blah. Use local if you want to. Let's do local. Look at all that food, holy. You can't see the terminal, but there's nothing to see in the terminal. Oh, look at that one fimsh conquer the mountain of food. Where did it go? What the? Is my TTS thing broken? You redeemed TTS. I'll manually do it.
Plus exclamation plus exclamation plus exclamation plus exclamation plus
Thank you very much
exclamation
for
plus
this.
exclamation plus exclamation plus blah.
I'm gonna restart the fimshes because clearly something's wrong with the TTS. Well, let me have a look at the logs first. Is this is not TTS. Are you? No, this is Rocket. Rocket can stop. Yo, Salad, you're coming in here and creating chaos. Oh, this is the overlay. Oh, this is the fimsh overlay. Oh, yo, I'm about to restart it. You know this, right? Like, let me just clear out all the food real quick. Lapis. Mine said orbit. You would never. Of course you wouldn't. No one would suspect the poor old hydro salad. Okay. Let's try again. Oh yeah, I need to do the authorization stuff. Oh, we got a hype chest apparently. Yo, thank you. What the? Did we get to a big level or something? Did it capture? It did capture. Nice. Spawn food. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What what yo, can someone test the TTS? It should work. I guess if it doesn't work, then we have more problems than I thought. That'd be bad. You think Orbit's a web framework? Well, I just need to serve a web page that has JavaScript that goes and does other stuff. But maybe Lapis. Where did my browser go? Silly. It's not working.
Silly.
Silly.
Chospalkalupis.
Why is it not working? Let me run it via terminal. Wait, I don't run it via terminal, do I? Owlcat start stream. Brep. Can't find path that. No such file or directory. What? I could. It's broken. Hello. Omni, welcome in. Wait, that didn't work either. Wait, what? What happened to my like? Okay, I don't understand. It launched when before I started stream, but now stream started. It won't launch again. TTS is dead, I guess. What happened to it? Yo. All right. Hang on. Apparently we got to some level of hype train. We have like this thing. I got this emote thing from it. Me sweat. Holy. Text to hex. Thank you. Runtime the cat. Yo, my computer is dying. It won't even launch Pamec because I wanted to see the state of the Flatpak. I think my computer dead. Oh, okay. DS note. Those are both AUR. Speech note. Yeah, this is installed. Launch. I think I broke. I guess it broke. Can't find the path to run user 1000 flatback helper. No such file or directory. Yo, I haven't even updated. Yo, why do we have these problems? It doesn't even launch anymore though. This is what I'm confused. It launched before. We haven't installed anything. What the? Fimsh, thank you for fimshing. You're actually surprised the amount of bits isn't crunching the encoder. Yeah, it's doing a good job. Okay, so apparently this is a system CTL thing. Double L. What again? How does this keep happening? I don't change it. Why does it change? Oh, I'm so mad. I think it just doesn't. I think it just doesn't keep the changes I make. Okay, little lapis, you said. Little lapis. Well, actually, let me see if this runs first. Because if this runs, we'll ignore TTS. Sadly, I should disable it because I can't even like manually do it anymore. That's sad. Oh, that's sad. Wait. Can I quickly just insert the Twitch TTS one? This is something I can do, right? Edit alerts. Uh, uh, channel points, hype train, tyranny raids, combos, bits. I swear I had this already done, but it's like not here. Oh wait, channel points. Oh, we have not the dumb. Does that work? Not the dumb. Redeemed Astatin Gamba noise. Wait, what happened to not the dumb? Wait. Sorry, I'm re-remembering. I'm re-remembering redeems we had now. But yeah, there's no TTS redeem. What the? Why? This message is being ignored and thus invisible? What do you mean, ignored? Okay, let me turn off TTS for now. Headpad's there, that's fine. Oh! Astatin Gamba noise. Does it work? It should work. What is a reality check? The dom has taken over? The not.
Being an awesome, smart, and cute. Oh my. Oh.
Hey, it's an astatin. What the? It works. It works. You redeem Anchor Fish, Pilk. Pilk? Whoa, I should re-enable that one. Emotes, rewards. Okay, I'm not seeing where I can do TTS unless I do new variant. We just do new variant. Layout is we don't actually care about the layout. We don't want any text to show on screen. We do want text to speech actually. Wait a second. Discard changes. Wait, how do I? Oh no. I've forgotten everything. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, we'll go Twitch ETS. And its alert condition is TTS. Okay, we got it. Duration, sure, doesn't matter. Layout's fine. Text to speech. Text to speech. Oh, this one says reward title. I don't want reward title. I want text. I need redemption message. Visual and sound. No visual, no sound. Oh, say redemption message. Oh, this is what we want. Say redemption message. And do we want Amy UK? Is this what we used before? We'll just go with Amy UK or Emma UK. I haven't decided yet.
Wow. Oh, wow.
What the? Oh, because the alert isn't updated yet on your. Hang on. What is going on? Saving me.
Hi, my name is Amy.
Where Emma?
Hi, my name is Emma.
I don't know if I like them. Where Ivy?
Hi, my name is Ivy.
I don't know if I like Ivy. What, Kimberly?
Hi, my name is Kimberly.
Hello, controller. Nicole.
Hi there, my name is Nicole.
What the? Do we go Australian, Nicole? Yo, what is this? Alert? Why are we getting spammed with alerts? Oh, I understand what happened. Don't worry, I worked it out. Okay, I worked it out. It's all good. Okay, now if I re-enable TTS somehow, viewer rewards, channel points. Oh wait, I didn't copy it. Hang on. I need to go here and we go browser source, Twitch, TTS. Okay. Paste this. Okay. Transition. Okay, now we enable TTS. Just some live TTS fixing. Well, workaround. Okay. It should work now.
Hello world.
Yeah, okay. Oh man, this TCS sucks. Just IMO. Oh, I want my old one back. Oh, I'm gonna have to work on that one. But at least we have TTS again.
Nian.
Hello, Sleepy. Welcome in. Hi. Gambo was talking about that potato. Oh, there's a Pion emote there. On my text overlay, it just points to you. Yeah, I wanna see Pion. I wanna see Pion jumping. Oh, Pion jumping. I wanna see this. Yeah, who doesn't wanna see a cute Pion jump? Did they neen? Did it neen? What happened? Is there a long delay? Maybe there's a long delay. There's not a long delay. Okay.
Nian nian nian.
Nyan nyan nyan. Yeah, nyan nyan nyan. Yeah, this is so much fruit. Yeah, I miss our OG neens. Yeah, I'm thinking of just like reinstalling my operating system. Oh right, we're doing a thing. I forgot we were doing a thing. Wait, let me have a look at the tutorial for Lapis, cause like this I don't know. Lua Lapis. Lapis framework. Oh yeah, okay. This is so much easier, holy. Thank you for that, Myriad. So if I delete all this, then no, it did not. It did not. It overwrit my copy. Paste. Save. What is Lapis? Picture layout, main script, blah blah blah. How does it work? What does it come with? Models. Models. Templates. Full example. We'll get back to this later, I guess. Anything else? Oh, there's a lot of Lapis things. Oh, that's cool. How do we launch Lua? How do we launch Lua projects? Oh, I do need to install Lapis. Oh, it didn't work. Oh wait, I need to local it up. Okay, we're installing Lapis. Then I need to work out how to run it. Oh, Little Witch Oz. Hello. Oh, deprecated. What the? Do I just do Lua and then we just go main? Well, Lua just dot. Can I read it? Is a directory? Okay. Module lapis not found. Module lapis not found. Why? How? I did Lua rocks though. Reference manual? GitHub? Lua getting started. No, we don't care about this. References, reference manual. You can find the Lapis source code there, blah blah blah. Lapis spec failing. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, getting started tutorial. This is what we need. Bix! Hello. Hi. Good morning or good afternoon. OpenResty is designed for Lua 1.5. What Lua version am I on? Yeah, I'm on 11.5. Oh no, that was the love version. Minus B. 5.4. 5.4. Okay, Lua rocks. Install this with version Lua 5.1. How's the finishing going? Not too bad. I mean, my TTS broke, so we have the Twitch TTS now, which is kind of sad, honestly. I need to fix that, but I think it's an off-stream fix. But I'm wanting to make what I'm wanting to do is just like have a simple, make a simple like website that you go to, like my website, and then you can like, I don't know if you put your details in there or not, but then you just have a thing that serves just like some HTML with a little bit of JavaScript, and then you can just query that to get your notifications and stuff, so you can get all of the pop-ups via WebSource, which I've been told is basically what Stream Elements does, but I'm interested in doing it for myself. Plus, I can use my own integration stuff, hopefully. So yeah, it's going good. Lapis command line tool. Oh yeah, I can do Lapis new. Why is this saying give me nginx things? Lapis sub. Lapis is not found. Was not installed a local one? How did you sleep? Holy fimshes. Create an application with Lua. Okay, as a reminder, you can create a new Lapis project in current directory by running Lapis new. By default, blah blah blah, ng bar. Okay. Oh yeah, I need the Lapis command. What? Lapis? It doesn't work. This Lua rocks thing it doesn't do what it's supposed to do. Is Lapis something I can just install through my package manager? Lappy. Holy, look at the food go. Forever falling. No. Lapis is not something I can install. Or that. Getting started. If you haven't already read through Getting Started Generic Guide, I've been through this, no? I have been doing this. Here, look. I'll put it in the like literally. This is what I did just now. That's what all this is. Well, we can't see the other stuff. But yeah, like I did a local version, which is here. Like, is that behind the thing? Yeah, look. Lapis, and I did the local one because otherwise it's like whatever. And then I tried again for the not local one because I'm like, maybe I have to go run the thing somewhere. So I did the not local one, so that I would like install it globally. But like it's still not like doing anything. Missing dependencies, installing, no existing, installing. Did all this, lots of deprecated stuff, but no issues. Oh, it failed. Oh, okay, never mind. I should just read, like that's half my problem, I'm just not reading. Build error failed compiling. OpenSSL. I guess we'll just look this up. Bad cop, hello. Thank you for feeding the fimsh even more food. So there's an issue with my OpenSSL. I already have it. I do so much with OpenSSL. Like, not only does OBS need OpenSSL, but then like a bunch of my other stuff does. It's already installed. It's like snow globe. Hell yeah! Oh man, I really wanna. Oh, because of the bits and it like falling through. That's so true. Oh. Oh, I could use this idea to like make the proper snow stuff too, because I guess it does clump up, and if I do some shader shenanigans, it might look like snow that stays, like whatchamacallit, yeah. Is my SSL closed? It's closed for business. I have OpenSSL 353-1 and 111W-2. They're both open SSL, so they're not closed. Hey, look, can I show it? If I go this one, and then we go parmec. Yeah, I can't find it. I'm so blind. Is it just called search? Yeah, look at that. It's just called search. Yeah, these are the two. If you can see it in between the fimsh and the food. I have both of these installed. OpenSSL 3.5 and 1.1. So I don't know if they're closed. Are they closed? I don't think so. It just says open. It says open, so build error. Failed compiling object. Oh yeah, so they're trying to compile OpenSSL again here. I guess we need a... Oh, here we are. Error. Passing one argument pem ands one right bio incompatible pointer type. Why is Lapis like this? All the rocks. Copy. Lower rocks. Installing Lapis with lower rocks. Oh, do I need the dev version? You think they're trying to compile against my app OpenSSL? Yeah. Maybe. Do I need the OpenSSL dev package? Because I don't think I have the development package. Dev version it could be, yeah. Although there's no Manjaro OpenSSL dev. Do we even have a dev version? Oh, I think Ghosty just tried to get in. What the? If you need additional development files, you may want to install OpenSSL 1.1 as it still requires it. Debian-based project system. libSSL is part of OpenSSL 1.1, which we have installed. I'm so confused. Let's go find dev. Man, why does this require OpenSSL? Like, I'd rather go back to Rust at this point, but Stream, it does not survive. Stream does not survive when I do this. SSL dev. Yeah, there's no open SSL. Yeah, we even have 32-bit OpenSSL installed and ready to go. Coffee, tea, matcha? Matcha? Please? I presume that's what you mean. Thank you. Ruby. Salad. Chicken OpenSSL with the chicken scheme. What is a chicken scheme? Wait, this is what the. I mean, to be fair, the Lapis repo is currently failing. Oh, do I need to specify version 5.1? Is this what's happening? Oh, I already did specify 5.1, I think. If I go lower rocks, help. Enable subrepositories and rock servers for rock specs in development servers. Server, only sources, namespaces, Lua directory, version tree, version, Lua version. Okay, it is minus Lua version. Is this what we did? It is what we did. What if we do it like before install Lapis? Install Lapis. We'll see how this goes. Yeah, the text is huge. My god. Okay, this is not working. I think we give up on Lapis. I guess we give up on Lapis. Sad. Yo, maybe we just do the unthinkable. We do npm run. What the? This feels illegal though. What the? But also, oh, you're finding issues, TY. Why is it not opening it in my browser? Thank you. Dependency, blah blah blah. Oh, okay, let me try this. Just want to mention I found the ultimate cause of compiler error workaround. Let me try. I'll just randomly like do it. Local. Oh, it's a GCC issue, I see. Oh, so it's already oh, okay, that worked. Let's try Lapis again. Oh, it says it's not installed. Wait, what did that say? Is it the wrong version? Yeah, let me just cancel it. Yeah, see, this is a reason to use Rust over C for programming. No, that's not valid. Yeah, okay. Lapis 17.01 depends on Lua OSSL not installed, but these other ones are installed. I am doing local, right? I am doing local. I did do local before. Oh yeah, true. Bash is the way to go. You're not wrong. We should just go back to. We should just use batch. No matching query for Lua 5.4. Can I install two things at once? Bash stack doesn't do support WebSockets. Like, I mean, I presume the bash stack is open source, so there's only a few commits away from. What is this? Argument open SSL directory. Oh. So how would I modify this to be? And then we go lower rocks. And then we go minus minus local. WebSocket support is kind of hard. Yo, it worked! Yo, thank you for linking those GitHub issues. It worked. The one that was for someone said they were trying to install it in Docker. That one worked. Thank you very much. Okay, if we go lapis new. What if we do this? This one has WebSockets, you think? It's really better than yours. What the? I'm not gonna do. I mean, it's funny. I will not be doing WebSockets in Bash. That is pretty funny. Oh, I know why it's so big. My God. I mean, Giga zoomed in. Whoop. Isn't there a binary that you run? It's a 7. What the? Oh yeah. Lapis. Oh, I didn't like that one. Wait, so home, no, not home, dot. What did they say? Where did they say it was installed? Owlkaline lower rocks. Okay, dot lower rocks. Bin lapis new. Unable to find open resty installation on your system. Is this because like we don't have open resty? Like is it because like the libraries are not set up correctly? Yo, thank you, fimsh. 5-4. Alright, let's do. Should we do? Wait. Well, okay. What I need to do, because the pseudo version didn't work, because cannot find the file for crypto. So that means I just need to replace open.
Cutie, long time no see ya.
I give you head pats. 3.
Thank you. Thank you, Takada. Yeah, it's been a while. But this is open resty. What do you mean? Wait. If this is open resty, hang on. If we go copy. Yo, why is web so complicated? Like, no wonder why people just use JavaScript. Like, what the? I didn't change it. I didn't have a choice. Flatpak died, and now the speech note doesn't work. I want my TTS back as true. I want it back to. Actually, can I install the other one? DS note. Oh, it won't work because all the commands that I run through terminal are they pass Flatpak commands. DS note, is it speech note? Oh, maybe it's part of Parmac. Parmac install DS note. Energy Star, hello. Networking is nice and wonderful as long as everything works. And then when you want to do need fix something all fine. Well, like networking is fine. Like if it's like TCP or UDP or like multiplayer or like I don't know, getting stuff from Twitch with WebSockets is fine, but like when you have to host a website that like also queries another website thing that you're hosting that connects to a different WebSocket thing that like gives you Twitch data, this is what I'm trying to do, and it's complicated. Oh no, this is probably gonna make me lag. This might make me lag. I hope not, because it's from the AUR, so it's gonna build it. Oh. Yeah, look at that. It's starting up the C compiler. If it starts lagging, I'll stop it. Just use WebAssembly? Well, that's what I usually do, but I need oh my god. That's what I usually do, but I need it to work inside of OBS web source. So like sadly, WebAssembly is out of the question, I think. Wait, I've never verified that. Not sure how, but you blame JavaScript for making the web way it is. What the? It used to be simple and vulnerable, of course. Oh yeah, but PHP was good. It is good. Fork OBS. You don't even need a fork OBS. You just need a plugin, right? Ish. Wait, hang on. This is what? Ew. Yo, what the? It's a reverse fimsh, and it's dumb. I think, and it's chasing after food. What the? Do I have a website that uses WASM that we can test? I mean, we go back to silly OPS, yeah. Backwards Owlfish, yeah. Like I have, at some point we need to open up Rust again, but that deletes my computer. You see people use JavaScript because of the sheer amount of frameworks simplifying everything? Yeah. This might be why I do. Because like this Lua stuff's not working. I mean, we could go back to Rust. That was working. It did work. But I don't know. All web roads lead to Node? PHP? I mean, we could join the PHP gang, it's true. I don't know how to run PHP though. This is a problem. Okay, what if we do it backwards? What if we find a POG? Actually, I don't know. Just don't use Laravel and PHP? Still good. What the? XAMPP. Let's go. XAMPP. Get this, you download a web server. Yo, nice. Do we go back to Rust and just deal with the lag? How do I stop it from lagging? Wait, how many CPU cores do we have? Like, I've forgotten how many cores I have. Oh, I have 16 cores. Yeah, let me open up Z with 4 cores. You think last time you used Engine X, PHP was Engine X plus fast CGI? What is fast CGI? I know what Engine X is. I use this all the time. Why is it laggy all of a sudden? What do you mean? It shouldn't be laggy. I didn't do anything. Is it still fine? Um, oh. Why is Rust laggy for you all of a sudden? Oh, it's not all of a sudden. It's called moving halfway across the world and then having a much weaker CPU. It's not, there is no all of a sudden. It's been like this since I started streaming again. You have a song for me? Oh, feel free to share on the Discord. Thank you though. Didn't I bring? No, like I brought my GPU with me because who can afford a GPU? So I was trying to find. One sec. Wait. Wait, let's go back to Rocket and see if it'll lag. Oh, it's gonna. There's no way it doesn't, right? I only gave it 4 cores though. Maybe 4 cores is too many. Examples. Open. Close this one. Oh no, Zed broke. Oh, yo, does anyone know a good editor? Do I go back to Helix? Helix has some quirks that I haven't gotten used to, which is why I don't use it currently. But with Zed keeping, like, breaking like it is currently, it's not fun. Not fun at all. Let me just make sure there's no Rust stuff just randomly launched currently. Okay. Oh, it captured it correctly, nice. So wait. If we run, so if we go can't go, well, we go what the, yeah, hang on. Sorry, that was a flying cat. I was bewildered. Yeah, what the, why am I lagging so much? Okay, what is going on? I'm not running anything. Yeah, I think Rust is just not good. It's not healthy for my computer. Oh, it is running stuff, never mind. The optimizer forever breaking streams. Yeah, it'd be nice to just have it not. Can I have it not? It is the language server. Yeah, it was doing like a status check, but I closed it and it's still lagging. Yeah, because it's still fucking doing stuff. Oh my god, why are you still doing stuff? I closed Zed. Oh, stop doing stuff. Did that come through? What the? So rude. How do I get around this? Is it time to get a mini computer and set up a proper web server? Well, like, more like get a mini computer and set up streaming on it. OBS. So it doesn't matter if my computer uses all 16 billion. Well, I don't have 16 billion cores anymore. All of its threads. Yo, maybe I just buy a Steam Cube, whatever that's called. I'll just buy a Steam Cube and then there you go, bam, 2 computers. One for streaming, one for doing stuff on. Rust Analyzer, yeah. Hello, copy girl, welcome in. A Gabe Cube. If I get a small VPS from here. I already have a small server, like the server part is not the issue really for hosting stuff. It won't compile Rust though. Yo, what the? Sorry. We use the stream machine as a website. Oh. We'd have to like get proper DNS and stuff, right? Hello. My kitty came to say hi, but they're not verbal right now. So I'm trying to work out how to open this project up. Oh, maybe I don't open up. Maybe we just run it and then see the results. Let's do that. I think this is what I did just before. And then we get an editor that doesn't run Rust Analyzer, and then we're chilling. I think this is the way to go. If we go, then we go. What's it called? Oh, cargo run. Okay, we're playing in a lag a little bit here. Minus V2. You can go see mad or something, you just don't know what. Yeah, probably. I think. Yeah. Used to have that way of limiting. Oh, that's what I was doing. I ran Z with like 2 cores, and it still launches like 600 Rust C analyzer check things during the check. Because I think it launches a new, like, because I opened the examples project and maybe that was my downfall. I think it runs a whole new thing for each project inside there. And can I show this? Yeah, this is what I'm doing currently. We're just compiling with 2 threads. Yeah, I want to see Pyeon jump. I haven't seen Pyeon do anything recently. It's been sad. Let me have a look. Okay, it's about to run probably. And then we can like add a web source. Oh, Takada. I meant in the Discord server. No? Is this someone else? What the? You're not particular to LSPs. Yeah, I should stop running them just entirely and go back to gedit days. Maybe that's what we do. We do a little bit of I forgot what it was now. Yo, what happened to my browser source? I swear I had a browser source that was named. Oh, is it over here? Oh, it is over here. Is this the right one? 127. No, yeah, 127.0.0.1.8,000. Correct. Control value, use frame rates. Well, we don't need it to have a high frame rate. We can just do like 5 frames a second. Refresh current page. Ah, it worked. So there's a whole UI thing here. Because yeah, look. What the? I mean, you can't really do anything. Well, this is a chat thing, so if I open it on my other in a browser, like a proper browser, and then I type in like test, Does it show up? Oh, it does show up. Look at that. What? I don't know. Someone sent me an image. I think it's a drawing. Posting in my Discord would be much preferable to the DMs. That is all. I'm pretty sure I have a channel for art in Discord, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, let me just copy this. Copy. Paste. And we come back over here. Yeah. Okay, so this does work, I guess. But this does some weird stuff, if I'm not mistaken. So I guess we need to work out how to. Wow. If we get rid of this for now, and we get the terminal. This terminal, right? Yeah. Make that full screen. We go to Helix. Does my computer die when we use Helix? We go Helix. And then we go like main. Are we dying currently? No, the language server exits immediately. You think you know what Ghosty's issue was? Oh no. Oh no. Okay, we need to make this bigger at very least. Holy, that's huge. Okay, so message. Receive message from form submission border casted to any receiver post. Wait, what? How does this work? So we build post and events. We have channel a message and a file server. Yeah, I think this is not what we need. Okay, let's have a look at the other projects. Cookies, config, chat, databases, error handling, forms, manual routing, pastebin, responders, serialization. See, the problem with this is. Wait, does it have? Wait, we go into chat. And then we go into static. Oh, we do have scripts. Helix scripts.js. Has color. Add room. Add node, event listener, click. Okay, so we definitely have JavaScript here. Okay. If we were to host a WebSocket somewhere, if we go JavaScript connect to WebSocket, I'm just gonna hijack this example. Okay, so if we just come to the top here, do we have a main function or does it just run whatever? Oh, there's an init function. You think a rocket has a way of doing, but I don't want rocket to do WebSocket. Well, I might actually, but what I'm trying to do is I need the client that's running inside of the OBS to connect to a WebSocket. Let's go localhost 8000 WebSocket question mark. So I get Helix just if we go to cd reset CSS script style. Okay. Roots, there's a post and events. Oh, post is message. This is events. So if we were to like do a WebSocket one, it would be like this. Okay, let's have a look. Let's have a look. It's not an example at least. Rust, rockets, WebSockets. Well, no, we can't. We can't. We would have to host our own WebSocket, which we can do because I do that anyway. Because the problem is having the library running inside of this async, this heavily modified async stuff won't work very well. You can do WebSockets though. There's a Rocket WS create. This is true. Let's have a look. So Rust, create WebSocket. You would need to. No, we're not doing that. We don't need to do that. That's not something we need to do. I think I just use tungsten if I'm not mistaken, and just do it ourselves. Because that's what we use to connect to Twitch's WebSocket. So surely that can create its own WebSocket. Rust tungstenite. And then we don't need to adapt any async BS stuff. We have your bot running next to Rocket server, but multi-app deployments are a whole other debate. Well, multi-app deployments are fine. It's just like getting them to communicate, which would be also fine because I already have the communication stuff set up for when I was doing the tunneling shenanigans. Because I could query. What could I query? Do you know web transport protocol? What, like HTTP? New gen WebSockets, really? Really? I do not then. I do not know web transport protocol. Web transport is a WebSocket, but UDP? Oh, nice. Yeah, that's cool. How was I doing the tunnel shenanigans? Oh, because I had the... Oh, that was interesting. Thank you for the pats. Chrome put in beta? Ugh, Chrome. Fimsh tunnel? Yeah, we had a whole Fimsh tunnel thing set up and it was yeah. So we had an SSH tunnel to make it as if the as if the stuff that connects to Twitch was running locally. And so we just sent a data to our local port, and that went to the server that like received it, which was my application that talks to Twitch, and then it would send back data to us via our port as well, and it worked fine. But like what I'm trying to do is like remove more from running locally to, well, I guess even in a web source it's still running locally, but like have it handled by OBS more, I guess. Your Rust Bevy game. Yo, Bevy! Yeah, I love a good Bevy. I can't wait until their new UI system. Well, like, I don't know, it might be trash, but people seem excited for it. I don't really understand the whole BSN stuff, so yeah. It works via web transport, but Firefox is not working. Oh no, there's a bug a year ago that's been fixed. There's something else you don't know how to debug. Oh no. Hello, Manadona, welcome in. The Bevy people are really smart. You trust the people working on it? Yeah, I hope it goes well. I hope it goes well. Okay, so we can create a server. So let's go. Let me quit this. Let me move. Okay. Let's go mk WebSocket shenanigans, and we'll move rocket examples chat to inside of WebSocket shenanigans. Hopefully that worked. It did. And we go cargo new bin WebSocket, I guess. And then we head into that. Next WebSocket. And yeah, we go source main. We also go, is it tab new? Oh no, I've forgotten how to helix. Oh, is it open? Open cargo tunnel. There we go, tungstenites RS. Is this how it works? I don't think that's how it works. Command run shell command cargo build. It did not work. Oh wait, it did? Yeah, no tungstenite RS. Okay, I spelled it wrong. There's it's tungstenite. There's an E here. Okay, then we do this again. Uh-oh. Wait, run command shell. Oops. Run command shell. I go build. Does baby have VSE? Yeah, what's VSE? Virtual sensible environment. Use Lightyear plus AeroNet. The latter has implementation for web transfer. Oh, really nice. Building a large thing like Firefox yourself sounds like weeks of effort without someone guiding you. I mean, it's weeks of effort with someone guiding you, but I only know Chrome, the Chrome web browser building. That shit is disgusting. Like even with guidance, it took me like 2 weeks. Visual scripting, no, they are working on the editor though. I don't know if visual scripting will come though. I'm sure there's going to be some plugin that people make. That'll be cool though if they do add visual scripting at some point. Wait, there's no tungstenite RS. Is it just tungstenite? Does the tutorial say? Why am I lagging? Sorry, I need to double check something. Wait, no, I'm all good. Okay. Fizzbuzz, hello. How do I import this? It didn't tell me. Oh, it's just tungsten. Yeah, I'm yeah, okay. I'll go build. You've been working in browser. How does one debug browser? You don't. You actually pull their source. Yeah, I do. I do pull their I do pull their repo and build. It's a whole thing because they have like 16 billion languages in the Chrome browser, and then they use like some like sync stuff that's disgusting, and then I don't know, it's a whole thing. Like I do it for work. Like I don't work on Chromium itself. Well, I do technically, but I don't work for Chromium or anything like this. It is painful. Wouldn't recommend. I like hate building browsers. I mean, like, yo, just put me on our backend. I'm done with this building browser shenanigans. Mm, mm. Let's say fetch API doesn't work. What's a fetch API? How does one debug a browser? Oh, well, you just debug it like any other application, for the most part, kinda. And you have like a lot of console outs. But you know, it's painful when it's seg faults because seg faulting could literally happen actually anywhere, and it's disgusting. You very much do not enjoy doing anything with Chromium source code. Yeah, it's not fun. Wouldn't recommend. Like, if somehow you're that enthusiastic about the browser, then like go ahead. It makes you wish web browsers were ban only. Only what's the new way of browsing the web? Maybe it'll be written in Celeste. Yo, did this break? What's going on here? Oh, it finished. Oh, it finished. Okay. Okay. Let me just copy their example because this should do as a little test. So we go copying, paste. Like so. And yeah, we go run commit cargo build. We get finished. You've never stepped inside a good browser engine source code, but you know, yeah. Well, like, there's some browsers coming up that might be pretty cool because they're like rebuilding from the ground up. They're supposed to be both open source and like actually secure with no tracking and all that. But like, who knows? Who knows how it will go? Your system should have XYZ dependency. Yeah. Okay, so how do I... Well, I run this, and then I also run the chat, but only afterwards. Oh wait, no, the OBS should runs the chat. Okay, if we go cargo run. Oh, it's on 9001 though. Looking forward to servo, but haven't looked at it at all. CD get WebSocket shenanigans. Chat, less cargo. Oh, I need to edit something. I think helix source main. Not main, actually. This was inside JavaScript itself, so it's inside static script JS. So the WebSocket is 9001 at the moment. Okay, so now if I cargo run no such file. I moved it, it broke. Oh no. Is there a realistic replacement for Chromium, or people who think it would be cool due to privacy? I don't know. I don't think it's been released, but I imagine if it's actually has the features it needs, could be. It could be, but I don't know currently. Wait, we just need rockets, so version stop. No such file or directory. What do you mean no such file or directory? Oh, workspace. Okay, I'm rebuilding the stuff. My encoders are overloading. Oh no. Let me just go quit. Chat. Actually, no, yeah, cd chat. I'll go -G2. Maybe we need like Subway Surfer in the background, yeah? We made the switch to LibriWolf. Screw whatever Mozilla's smoking. Is it good, LibriWolf? Is it nice to use? Can it use Firefox plugins? Because I'm thinking of uBlock Origin and the community filled out like promotion skips. Can we actually run servo? What's servo? It has uBlock built in. Oh, nice. That's cool. I mean, I guess YouTube's not as big of a deal because you can use YTTC, I think it's called, or is it YTCC? It might be YTCC. I really should go back to using that. It was a really nice tool. Your block origin comes with it by default. You also put no script and sponsor block, so yeah. Fair enough. That's cool. Libri Wolf. Hot commodities. Oh, I can just do tabs. Oh, I can just do tabs in this thing. Ooh. And then I don't have to worry about recapturing things. Although they're at different zoom scales. Let me fix that real quick. Is this the right zoom scale? I can't tell. Okay, this one failed. Oh yeah, address is already in use. Why? Did I use it somewhere else? Where was the address? Helix. Just here. Main. Oh yeah, let's just use 8001 then. And then command run shell commands cargo run. Oh, IC's box. Hello. If I use Tokyo, there is also Tokyo Tungstenite for async. No, we don't want async. Get that out of here. Like, I'm sorry, there is definitely a time and place for async, but now is not that time. Like, I have a library that does not need async that communicates with Twitch, and if we do some async shenanigans, I'm gonna have to like rewrite the entire library. No async. And also, we don't need the whole Tokyo. We need like this is not going to be complicated, so we don't need the whole Tokyo runtime thing either. So it's a bit overkill. Also, thank you. Welcome in. Thank you for the suggestion. It is, if someone was looking for async and using Tungstenite, that is a good suggestion. During Taco, well, that's because I haven't disabled it yet. No, that's all good. Like I'm not mad or anything. It's just like we play up the dislike for async in general. Hello Optic Fusion. Just because I personally think it's used too often. Like there's a bunch of libraries that just don't need to be async, like the WebSocket library for Rust. No, not for Rust. The OBS WebSocket library that's built in Rust is async only, and that just like deletes it from being used in anything that's not async. And if you want to use it in something that's not async, it does the whole like poisoning of your entire project, and it's really annoying. When like this thing could have just been like an API, and then if you wanted to async it, you could. But yeah. This function takes 2 arguments. Options is missing. This is under main, I think. So here, so it's saying fs options is missing. Let's just take any default. I might need to import it actually. Run shell command cargo run, cargo build. Thank you for watering me. Yeah, that's the first water of the stream, holy. Oh, you'd love to look into servo, because if it uses a reasonable build system with actually declared dependencies, when you just do cargo build and things work, that would be cool. Yeah, that would be cool. What happened? I stopped reading. Oh yeah, FS option, it says option exists. That's the wrong kind of option, right? Hang on, let me see what the error was again, because I forgot. Okay, it wants rocket FS options. Okay, we'll just do that. Rockets FS options, and then we'll just grab the default of this because we don't need anything more. Hopefully. Ah, it worked. Okay. So this is the file server. Yeah, so we run this. So how do I run? Use async for projects with sockets because you get rid of unblocking socket configs. Unblocking socket config is somehow more efficient in your mind. Unblocking. Well, like I like all of my stuff. Well, like when I'm making stuff, usually just unrelated, I guess. It is ready to plug into any video game, basically, like any application that you have, and so it's all non-blocking, and also it aims to be as like least resource intensive as possible. So like for example, if you're putting my library into Godot or your Rust projects for Twitch integration, you just put in like the one update function in your update loop, and that's it. Like you get the data, but like otherwise it doesn't delay your update loop for any duration, except for how long it takes you to like actually handle the results you've been given. But yeah, it's obviously use case by use case. But yeah, like I don't know. Async does have its place. Like for example, Bevy uses async fantastically. Like I don't have to deal with async, so I'm quite happy with it. What did I do? We ran this, but it didn't run. Cargo run. Address is already in use. Okay, so we can't run these things inside of